Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading Academy. Guys, in this video, I'll be analyzing Bharti Airtel. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon and join the Telegram channel as well. I've shared the link in the description box. Guys, we have seen couple of days Bharti Airtel has been heading down. We can see most of the February has been a downward move in Bharti Airtel. Now Bharti Airtel is at a very critical point, that is 200-day moving average. You can see here today Bharti Airtel has kissed 200-day moving average. So this point is going to be very important. Tomorrow either we are going to see a bounce on the upside, and in case we see any close below 200-day moving average, then probably Bharti Airtel can head downwards. Now let's move to monthly chart. I'll show you something important there as well. Okay, now this is monthly chart. Now here in monthly chart you can see I'll draw two important levels, that is 543.55. This was a previous resistance which was broken and it had moved up. Now again prices have come below this, and there's one more point, this point, that is somewhere around 518.50. These 2 points are very important. The reason why I've drawn this, I'll tell you. You can see here prices initially in 2007 and entered this area and it had moved down, and again in 2017 it had touched this area and the prices had come down. Let me zoom this again, and we can see here, you can see here prices had again entered this area. There was a rejection and there was a downward move till 361. This is the third time it had reversed, and again in 2020 August, you can see here what has happened. Once price closed below this level, below 518, prices had fallen down. So is this going to repeat again? This is the question. Now we can see here this 518.50 has not been hit yet. Today's low it had formed was 521. So probably I'm going to wait for this entire month and see how this March is going to be. In case I see monthly candle close below 518.50, then probably based on that I can take short positions. I can take small trades by making sure that prices is heading downwards. Only then I'll create my short positions. So this 518.50 will be very critical point which I'll have to see for this entire month. And also we have seen this 518.50, it's coming somewhere below 200-day moving average. That's also going to be very important point where we can see buyers getting weak and sellers getting aggressive. From that level we can see prices move down as well. So for now I can say Bharti Airtel has entered a do or die level situation. Any bounce from this level 518.50, then we can expect again 543 and prices may move to 557 and 580 levels. Let me mark these points. These are the points what I'm looking at. Any move on the upside, this will be the resistance, and on the downside let me mark the supports as well. It will be 497 around 500, and then probably at 476, and then 440. These are the points on the downside I'll be looking at if prices close below 518. Once price close below 518, as I've said you before, check out the daily chart. It will be below 200-day moving average. From this level there are good chances prices can become weak, but before it moves down there can be a small move on the upside again where this 50 moving average can act as a resistance, and again it can start reversing from this level as well. Or in case any close we see above this 50 moving average, wait for the prices to close above 575 for the prices to move again on the upside. This is a simple analysis what I have on Bharti Airtel. You can check out yourself by drawing by taking monthly chart and understanding how this momentum can be. Just make sure you draw this 543.55 and 518.50, these two lines, then probably you can understand the momentum and the behavior of the price. Alright guys, this is all I have in Bharti Airtel. So Bharti Airtel is a do or die situation. And other important thing, let me tell you, you can see here it has started forming something like a divergence on monthly chart, which is also very important to observe now, right? So is Bharti Airtel going to go down? If it closes below 518.50, then yes, probably we can expect prices to move on the downside. That's all I have in Bharti Airtel. I'll again see you in the next video. Guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, give a like, and if you have any doubts, drop a comment. I'll try to solve that. Have a good day, guys. I'll see you in the next video.